Kakadosh Bokero, we're just continuing with halachot. This is Siman Samech Aleph now. We're going to be doing a few small halachot over here in halacha, already starting from Tetzayin going onwards. It says as follows: Tzarich lafsik benishba laHashem kedei latim yafeh ha'ayin shelo niret keheh. Which means that Maran is bringing down that usually we know that there's a tam mesharetim and tam of sikim in the Torah, because Maran already brings down in the next sifim that you have to read the Kriyat Shema b'te'amim kemo she'em b'Torah. That is Sif Kaf Daled, which means that we have to read the Shema with the Te'amim. Now we have to learn the Ta'amim, which means that we cannot exempt ourselves by just saying we don't know the Ta'amim. We have to learn the Ta'amim Mikra in order to read the Parashah, the Kriyat Shema, properly. Now what happens is that usually there's a Tam Mesharet. Tam Mesharet means that it's going to be a Tam, a certain cantonal, we're going to call it a voice, right? These are the Ta'amim Mikra, which are these are the songs, I don't know how you call it exactly, right? That the song, the way that the songs go, it's going, the notes, thank you, it's going to lead on to the next word. Some of them are mafsikim. Mafsikim means that they're going to stop it. Here, the Asher Nishba Hashem, Nishba has got a targa, and Hashem has the tavir. So we know that usually it's tam mesharet, which means the way I would usually do it is Asher Nishba Hashem or Asher Nishba Hashem, whichever one it is, but I'm going leading into it. However, though here Maran says there's an exception to the rule. You should make a pasek, you should make a stop after the nishba in order to understand, to pronounce properly the ayin. Now, by the way, you should know this is not the only exception to the rule. Maran does bring down afterwards a few times. He says, the exact same thing happens. V'limatem otam. It's a tam mesharet, it's a marich and then tavir. So therefore you're supposed to continue. But no, if I do v'limatem motam, the way that I just said it was limatem motam. I'm not supposed to say motam. Or in all the other cases, whether it's shatem motam, right? V'samtem met. Right now, I'm stressing it much more in order that you guys should actually hear the met or motam. However, though, obviously Maran is bringing down these halachot because shelo yeh nireh ki koreh motam or met. So this is Shulchan Aruch Mefurash telling you that even though usually there's going to be a rule that the tam mesharet, which means that it's going to be this cantonal note, is going to come and it's going to bring it in, and it's going to continue the next word. Sometimes we have to make a pause, and that pause is going to be in order to differentiate that you're not going to say something that sounds wrong. So therefore, in these cases, what it is going to be, here it brings down Shulchan Aruch, limatem otam, ukshartem otam, v'samtem et. That v'samtem et anyway is a tam of sik, because it's v'samtem, comma. That's a pashtar or kadma. After the pashtar kadma, anyway, you have to stop. It's a pause. So therefore there it's obvious, but a lot of people, they might just continue it. So you have to actually stop. Uritem oto. Here it says la gerish. There there's la gerish. Again, it's a tam mesharet going into the next word, but you have to stop. Because if not, you're going to say uritem moto. So you have to be careful in all these cases. Obviously, there's going to be a lot more halachot, and this is not only going to apply to Kriyat Shema, it's going to apply to the entire tefillah as well.